Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the third day of October 2022. We're going to talk about HBAR today, or Hashgraph, and try to see which way the market's going to move 30%. Is it going to move 30% to the upside, or is it going to move 30% to the downside? Because ever since mid-June, the market in HBAR hasn't really been doing too much. So hopefully we can do a price prediction on today's video to see which way the market's going to go. Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I am the one that is producing predictive content in the form of which way certain cryptocurrencies are going to move. I create these videos to ensure that we all understand and are able to see that we can actually predict where prices are going to go and actually profit from the move. So if you guys want to continue to join me and continue to watch my videos and learn as much as possible from what I say and for what I show you all, then I would definitely recommend that you guys follow me here on this particular channel. All right, so you guys can see I did a video in HBAR not that long ago. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this chart real quick, and you all can see that I was anticipating that the price in HBAR was going to move higher, right? So let's look at the results. Results is very important for us to know who understands how market dynamics work and who's actually making moves in the cryptocurrency space. So you guys can see right here, September the 11th was the day that I produced this video, and I was looking for the market in HBAR to go up, and look, it took one day. Immediately after I concluded the video in HBAR, the market went massively higher to where I expected it to go around 7.5 cents, right? So it's not a coincidence that price in HBAR did not continue to go higher following the 12th of September. That's not a coincidence. We anticipated that this could be the location that price will begin to go back down, and immediately on the 13th, look at it, it did. It went up one day, and immediately the next day it came back down, and since that time the price in HBAR hasn't even gone up. It's amazing as to how you can really anticipate how prices are going to move. The only problem, though, I would tell you, is that we don't know how long it's going to last, when it's going to occur, but we knew the direction in which the price in HBAR was going to go, and we knew about how far it was going to go before it started going back down. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and take that out the way. Congratulations to those who was able to get around 16.25% out the market there. Now we need to talk about this 30% move, because look at this. A lot of the market action in HBAR has been towards this nickel price, or maybe 6 cents area. Even within this consolidation range, we spent a lot of our days in HBAR down here at the bottom towards the support area. We need to see the market eventually lift up. If we're going to maintain this consolidational trading range, we need to see this occur relatively quick, because it looked like the market in HBAR is about to break this area down here. I really wanted to see the buyers hold this level right there around 6 cents, maybe 5.5 cents. And you guys can see that we're slowly but surely coming down to the low that occurred on July the 5th. We're right back to where we started. The market here in HBAR is not garnishing a whole lot of emphasis of wanting to go up. We're not seeing that on the charts yet. Now, if we continue to see the market buyers come in and hold this price here, then yes, we will begin to think that market liftoff is about to occur. But we haven't seen it yet in the market in HBAR. So let's go ahead and move this down here to compensate for this is where the market currently is. Now let's go ahead and look at the market in HBAR on the monthly time frame, since we are starting out on a whole new month. And you guys can tell that the last 2 months, September as well as October, look at it. You tell me, does this look positive? Does it look like the buyers really came into the market in HBAR and bought up this currency? Look at the prior month, August. It looks exactly the same as what occurred in September. So over the last 4 months right here, we only had one up month, and that was in July. This shows you how massively weak this cryptocurrency currently is, and it goes right alongside this massive downturn that we've been in the market since September 2021. So from a monthly perspective, it doesn't look all that positive for us to see the market in HBAR begin to go up. Now, one thing I will show you is that the last 2 months, when we look at here, September and August, look at this. The volume is pretty decent for the amount of spread that we really got. So we definitely are noticing that buyers are trying to come into the market in HBAR right now. I've been telling this on a lot of my other videos, is that we do not want to see the market in HBAR break this level neither. All right, a lot of cryptocurrencies are now hovering around a very crucial area of support, and we do not, and I repeat, we don't want to see the prices break below these support areas, because if it occurs, then we're going to come a lot lower in price. So I just want to preface that. I just want to get everyone's mentality ready to absorb that movement to the downside if it occurs. Here we are again. This is the 3-month chart, and guys, I want to show you all something. So on this 3-month price bar, you guys can see how massively wide the spread is, right? But then look at the volume. So it looks to me like nobody got in the way in HBAR on this 3-month price bar, which started in April. Nobody got in the way to try to stop it from going down. But then you get to this last completed 3-month price bar, which started in July, and the volume is heavier than what it was the last 2-3 months. You see that? It's heavier, but the spread is smaller. This is why I'm trying to tell you all that buyers came into the market in HBAR right here. And if the buyers ever leave this area, we will see the market go substantially lower. Yes, we're going to see that. So I just want to preface that. I want to get you all ready for that. So when it occurs, we won't be questioning, okay, why in the world is the market going down? Well, it's going down because the buyers left. They are not here anymore. So now let me go ahead and do this. I want to extend this support area in HBAR. Okay, because we're going to compensate and definitely pay attention as the days go on to see the buyers are still going to be here. Okay. So now let me look at this on the hourly chart. And let's go ahead and see if we're getting buyers into the market on an hourly perspective. I mean, it is, but it's not conclusive. It's not massively positive that buyers are coming into the market in HBAR. I'm not massively convinced yet that they are here, all because of the volume is dry. Like nobody's really confirming that they're trying to buy HBAR right now. And this is on the 3-hour chart. Here's HBAR on the 7-hour chart. It's a little bit better. Right here on this 7-hour price bar, we did see the market bounce, so we may see the market run up just a little bit, but we definitely need to see this transition over to the daily chart. We need to see this on the daily chart. Okay, we got to see it. If we don't begin to see strength on the daily chart into the market in HBAR, we will begin to see the market go down. So what I'm trying to tell you all right now is that from an hourly perspective, yes, we're seeing some buying come into the market because everyone is seeing that we are now nearing the support area. Okay, we're there. But when I look at this on the daily chart, it's not too conclusive. It's not too convincing that I have enough confidence to say that this market is about to trend higher, 30%. I don't see that yet. And even here on the 2-day chart, I'm not too confident that the market's going to move 30% higher from here. This is kind of like a wait and see. Because on the monthly chart and on the 3-month chart, let's not forget that I did show you all that there is weakness on those charts. So now it comes down to which position are you looking to play? Are you looking to play a position on the short term basis or on the long term? Because on the long term basis, yeah, you may want to actually sit out the market until we get more confirmation of buyers holding 5.5 cents. If you play this on the short term, yeah, you play this market move higher, but understand it may not go 30% because I'm not seeing a whole lot of strength coming into the market, because 30% would take us back up here to the high that came in on September the 12th. Okay, that's a 30% move. Now, taking it from that perspective, I would say the move will occur to the upside right now, based off of everything that we have with the information that we have currently. I would say that the market is definitely trying to vie for higher prices, but I'm not convinced that it's going to be a 30% move though. All right, so that is it. I'm not going to put on a price prediction because I really want to see this transition over to a daily chart, and we haven't seen that yet. So I'm just going to sit the sideline just maybe a day or so to see how the market trades and trends, because if we do begin to see more buying come into the market, then yeah, we could play the move to the upside. Now it's your turn though. Give me your thoughts. What is your perception as to where you think the market is headed? This is the edge that we have amongst our competition, is that we're able to predict. So give me your prediction. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.